Hello everyone, today we will see how to mine a Celia coins and airdrops rewards, how to connect with your crypto wallet. So you can go to your profile and click on mine. So after click mining button, your mining will be started. Let's see, now we will go to airdrop. So here you can see they want your SEP BEP address 20 and USDT. So you will just go to your any crypto wallet and his option deposit or received crypto. So you can open that one and you will select which crypto you want to deposit. Here we need USDT, so we will just click on USDT and you can see here there is chain BNB smart chain BEP20. That's chain the Celia network you want to put it there. So here you will just open that one and copy his address right here and go back to your application and put it there and link your USDT address with Celia. This is the way you will get rewards and airdrops when Celia network will be give you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.